Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a research paper with Jupyter Notebooks step by step clearly. Gather the necessary tools for your research paper. Install Jupyter Notebook on your computer if you haven't already. Open Jupyter Notebook in your preferred web browser. Create a new Python notebook by selecting New and then choosing Python 3. Begin by setting up the document structure. Add a markdown cell for the title of your research paper. Use the markdown cell to create headings for each section, such as abstract, introduction, methodology, and conclusion. Write your abstract in a markdown cell, summarizing your research objectives and findings. Add an introduction in a new markdown cell, providing background information and context for your study. In a new code cell, import any necessary libraries for your data analysis. Load your dataset using an appropriate method, such as pandas. Use exploratory data analysis techniques to summarize your data. Visualize key findings using libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn. Document your analysis process in markdown cells throughout the notebook. Create a methodology section to describe the techniques and tools used in your research. Include code cells to show how you processed your data and performed calculations. Write your results in a markdown cell, summarizing the findings from your analysis. Use additional code cells to present any statistical tests or model results. Add a conclusion section in a new markdown cell, highlighting the implications of your research. Ensure that all code cells are fully executed and displaying results. Include references to any sources or literature cited in your research. Save your Jupyter Notebook to preserve your work. Export your research paper by selecting File, then Download As, and choosing your preferred format, like HTML or PDF. Review the exported document for formatting consistency and clarity. Make final adjustments as necessary to ensure a polished final product. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.